unfortunately, the little store that my family owns that we
both work at,
in the little town that I grew up, it's called Red Rock General Store. My mom texted me, I don't know when.
A couple hours ago.
Yeah. That our store no longer has a roof. There was what they think is a small tornado touchdown in the teensy busy town of Red Rock. And now our roof is in the middle of the street. And there's water just raining in. I'm feeling very grateful because the community has been really great so far. And we've had tons of people offering to come help us. Good afternoon. We just got back to our Airbnb after going out to Red Rock to check on our family's store. The bad news is that it's bad.
Pretty bad.
But the good news is it's not as bad as it could be. Could be
a lot worse.
A lot worse. So, for the short version, we stayed up till the wee hours of the morning setting up a GoFundMe page, which I will link below in case anyone is feeling generous. And got all of that figured out, and then got up at sunup to get that posted and shared with some of the local news agencies and those kinds of things. My mom and my uncle and another lady that works at our store and her friend, his husband, and a bunch of other people from our community
came out and helped
start the cleanup.
The GoFundMe page is currently at $6,320. That's just this morning. And
incredible.
Our goal is $20,000, so that's pretty great.
Yeah, it's incredible. And we've had so many other customers just stop in and give cash and those kinds of things to go towards getting our roof fixed. We have another customer who's already offered to do all the labor with his construction company free of charge, just cost of materials. And then another customer has contacts with Lowe's and might be able to get us a discount on the materials themselves. So things are falling into place. Our community in Red Rock is really amazing. We are, in spite of all of the things happening, we're feeling very lucky at the moment to have everybody. We were going to cancel our entire vacation because, crisis. But from what we've seen today and talking with our family and those kinds of things, everything that can be done for the moment has been done. And now it's just kind of hang in there until we get a new roof. We do have a ceiling. It's not like you can see straight through the sky. The building is over 100 years old, and it has a tin ceiling and then the original roof. And then on top of that was a new tin roof that, new is 23 years old. But the tin roof is gone, but the old roof and the ceiling is still there. So it's not like just open to the sky. We do have some, it leaks like a sieve in there. It's like a waterfall when the rain comes. But at least it's not open. Not open to the elements.
So like we said, it's pretty bad, but it could have been worse. We're feeling pretty lucky. Do us a big favor. If you want to take a look at the GoFundMe page, we'd really appreciate it.
Even if you just share it, that would be amazing. We would very much appreciate it. I'm going to go take a nap. We're running on like a good 2 hours of sleep right now. So yeah, going to eat, going to go take a nap. And then try to enjoy ourselves for the rest of our vacation. I don't know. We're going to give it a shot. They're calling me, so